So let me tell you what I love the most. I'm looking around this room and I see so many different ethnicities and nationalities, but we're all under the same roof doing the same thing, and that's laughing. That's laughing. That's the one thing that's universal, and I truly feel if you can laugh together, you can live together. God damn it, you can live together, you can love together. Let's continue to do that. Continue to try our best to make this world a better place. You guys are fucking unbelievable. I'm on cloud nine. All right, so listen. When I say Durban, y'all gotta fucking go off, okay? Go off, all right? Not until I say Durban. You gotta wait, turn around like this. Wait, let's go.
Put the flash on.
The road to making the world laugh continues, goddammit. I'm in South Africa. I'm in Durban. Once again, you guys are truly amazing. Thank y'all for making my first time special. Good night.
Durban, once again, man, my name is Joey Will. On behalf of Heartbeat Production and the Plastic Cup Boys, we thank each and every one of y'all, man. This has been fucking amazing. Hey, you up top over there.